Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to find topics for Pinterest blogging. Finding profitable blogging topics for Pinterest involves using its search bar to discover long tail keywords, leveraging the Pinterest Trends tool also, and analyzing top performing pins. Focus on niche specific, right? High demand topics like DIY, home organization, recipes, or lifestyle, using keyword suggestions to create actionable problem-solving content. So let's say watering and irrigation, that's their trending topic. So we're gonna type water, water and irrigation. You're gonna see the activities here. Basically in the trending videos, right? Basically, if that's your niche, all you gotta do is just follow their first steps and create pins that matches the trending topic, right? So make sure that you are seeking to solve a problem, right? That will create more engagement. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.